Yeah. You're funny.
No.
Hey, Nathan. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning up.
What are you cleaning?
Cleaning that one.
Yeah, why do you have to clean the window? What did you do?
Just color that.
You colored it? Show me where. Where else did you color?
First the dot.
Your friends didn't do that. Who did that?
Color them. House. Clean up. Jack clean it. House.
Jack didn't do it. Who did it?
Alex win.
No, Alex didn't do it.
Oh.
Nathan did it, didn't he?
Got
Yeah,
that
one.
What did you do? Did you color?
Got that one.
Show mommy where. Show. Go show. Go show mommy.
Look. One.
Another one? Yeah, you better clean that one up too, you bad boy. Clean it all up.